I think you should give it to Ricky.
Yes, Ricky. Yes, I did tell you. This one. From ma'am, Senator.
That will go. No, we will have a picture.
We'll have a picture with
We will have a
the
picture.
Okay.
Sir, bakit nyo napili mag-donate dito sa GMA Kapuso Foundation?
Okay. Of course, our Anvil Business Club, Association of Young Filipino-Chinese Entrepreneurs, we are Filipino second, third generation of Chinese heritage. And we believe that giving back to society, especially our less fortunate brothers and sisters, is very important, lalo na they're very much in need with the Taal volcano. And we believe that GMA Puso Foundation is the best way for us to be able to reach them, especially as the track record of the foundation is very good, really uplifting the lives of the less fortunate Filipinos.
How does it feel to be here right now in GMA?
It's very nice. We've always admired GMA. It's actually, we have had a very good relationship with the GMA network and GMA Kapuso Foundation for many years. And we find it really fortunate to be here, to be able to help our brothers through the foundation. Of course, Attorney Gozon and of course Miss Ricky. And we feel very fortunate also that we know that the donation will be in good hands.
Miss Ricky, this is a very generous donation from Anvil. Can you say about this generous from them?
Very grateful tayo sa Anvil dahil they turned over a 1 million peso donation specifically for the victims of the displacement caused by the eruption of Taal volcano. So talagang ang daming matutulong yan kasi at the end of the month, next level ng GMA Kapuso Foundation Mag-medical missions na kami dahil nabalitaan namin na napakaraming bata ang merong mga upper respiratory infections. So we're going to go there with our volunteer doctors at saka mamimili kami ng free medicines, free vitamins, just to make sure everybody stays healthy.